Back with you on Tripping Outdoors. Right now we're sitting in the blind. Came back to home base just to take a little break, rehydrate. Yeah, it's quiet. We move one of the trail cameras right to my original spot right here, right down from the base. Coming off the water, crossing right there. I seen some more tracks, so I'm gonna put the camera right there so you can see how that go. Yeah, but you can see how we just me right here, sitting in the blind. Got my laptop down there. We just sitting out looking. We're gonna go back out, put the second camera back on the way out, cause I did see some deer boo-boo the other day I came over here, so I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some coming in and out of there, so I'm gonna put one there. I gotta go pick up 2 more cameras that I ordered. They was on sale, couldn't beat them, so I just picked them up. But yeah, man, tripping outdoors, just a young man trying to live a dream. Florida hunting. Like I say, I'm a new hunter, new to the game. So yeah, like I say, everything's trial and error. Everything's get out here, see what you can find, see what you can do. Stay as quiet as possible. Be more observant as possible. So yeah, man, like we ain't doing that. We just sitting here in the blind, man. Feel a chill out. See if I can hear anything. I'm gonna go back out, walk in a minute. We've been back to the blind for about a good 20 minutes now, maybe. Had a little snack, got some to drink. We went and walked a good little ways. I can tell you right now. Yeah, we didn't even stop, like I said. We didn't stop. We didn't stop moving for a while. Sorry about that, people. Checking something on my phone. Yeah, that track today, we had a nice long track today. Sorry, but I'm trying to check some of the phone, people. That's why I keep looking down. Because, I'm on this trail, right? Oh, okay, that's right. I'm on the trail right now, so I can't really track it, let me tell you. But we walked 1.3 miles before we got back to base. Been out here about 1 hour and 50 minutes so far. So, yeah. Like I said, we're gonna track back on the way out pretty soon. I'll probably go and explore the other side of where I'm at. Like I said, I walked around. I'll probably just walk out through that marsh area just to see what's on the other side behind me, cause yeah, we ain't got nothing else to do right now. So yeah, people, once we get it back outside, we'll get back to what these adventures on Tripping Outdoors. Remember, Trip Media is the main page. Trip Media Productions. Tripping Outdoors, our outdoor adventure page. Like I said, we new to it, so bear with me. We trying to find something, like we on the move. Yeah. So get in the comments, let me know. Let me know what I can improve on, let me know what we can do better. Yeah, anybody know any spots out here, Jade over Corby, let me know. Hey man, you ain't gotta show your hogs, but you know where they normally be, give me a good range. I'm trying to track everywhere, so yeah. See you in a minute. Tripping Outdoors. Peace. Yeah, yo people. Back with you on Tripping Outdoors. Day 5. We got a lot of buggy action going on, a lot of dog hunting going on today, so it's probably gonna be a slow day. I'm gonna try to stay from where them dogs at. let them do their thing over there on the buggies, cause like I say, I ain't trying to run into their dogs or them on the buggies. So I'm gonna try to work this other way. Yeah, you can see a couple people out in the distance over there. I don't know, y'all wanna see? Yeah, out over there across the thing. They over there on their buggies. That's why I was gonna track it tomorrow. So yeah, I'll probably do that tomorrow then. If they tracking all the way down there, it's 2 sets of buggies it seemed like. So yeah, I'll probably go that way tomorrow, cause I was planning on going that way right now, and then that's why I was heading there. And then I seen them coming through on the buggy, so I just turned around and I'm heading back towards camp. Like I said, we're in a good little spot. We got phone cell service and all that stuff right here, so we're in a good spot right here. So yeah, they definitely going out the way I want to go. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna track back the back way and just cover the rest of the ground, the original route that I came in here on the first 2 days. Like I said, I found a more efficient route to get here, quicker, less bushes to go through. So yeah, that's why I'm taking that route in and out from now on. But I still have some more on the other side over here that I wanted to cover, along with covering on the other side over there where they going at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my backup plan and just go back east this way. On the other side, I'm gonna camp and see what's on the other side of the trail that we ain't cover. So yeah, let's get back to walking. That's what I want to get across to the other side. That's where they going at right now on the buggies. To the other side. Remember, I showed you that the other day when we first got out here. It's my little crossing point where there's water in and out right here. I'm off, blind off that way. Somehow I got cell service better right here than I do a couple steps the other way, so yeah, it's crazy. I'll just probably keep the blind where it is. It's off the trail. People come through on their buggers or whatever. They won't be in their way. But yeah, people, we finna. Yeah, we definitely got the camera in the right spot. Low enough to the ground where I can see some anything come up to it or whatever. Should be further off the path with none really notice it over there blending in with the tree there at the bottom. But I got a good coming off this trail right now. Oh, got another shot. Yeah, really having some success. People really out here. Yeah, people, I think I was gonna put my second trail camera out here on the way out, but there was so much action coming through with those buggers. I doubt that there'll be anything that's over there sitting there. So I'm gonna have to get deeper off in there. I'll probably put that trail camera a little bit further off away from base. Yeah, that'd probably be a better idea. Then I'm just looking at this here to try to see where we can walk. Yeah, it look like we got a trail behind base. Let's walk over. got action, people. We definitely got us some action. We got prints. I definitely got prints coming through here. Alright, people. Change of plans. I got some prints right here. Look like they coming through here. Right to where I wanted them to go at. Right beside my camp. So the camp is docked off somewhere. Right here. So yeah, we definitely on the right track. Like I might just hunt this little area I'm at. Cause we definitely got some tracks coming through here, people. Definitely got us some tracks coming through here. Let's keep going. I think I'm on a trail, people. Now what we gotta figure out is how often they coming through here. I see a lot of tracks coming through. More tracks, people. Yeah, people, like I said, we found some tracks coming through here. So, going back the other way. Now, I'm in the right spot where traffic is. I know that. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, I definitely got tracks, people. Yeah, people, I was just pausing, making sure I was going the right way. Sorry about that. Definitely got some action on this trail though. Remember, baby, tripping outdoors. Like, share, subscribe to the page, man. Trip Media Productions is our main page. Like I said, man, just a young man trying to live a dream. Another little opening in the trail over here. Look like somebody got an old tree stand they left out here. Yep, a little tree ladder stand. They had it out here down left. Yeah, sorry about the people. I'm just looking at my GPS. Make sure I'm heading the way I want to head. Yo, people. The camera battery went dead on me, so I had to use my phone. Finish this little way out. What we going on there? Switch this camera around. Yep, yo. Sorry about that. I had to switch this camera around and make me turn it off to do it. Coming up to the other side of this little swamp area I was trying to get to. So yeah, it's definitely all swampy over here. I probably can walk through it, but right now my phone on 40%. I don't know how much further I can go with my camera there, so I ain't gonna be able to get you too much footage without losing the battery on my camera, so, and on my phone, so. Yeah, people, we're gonna track back to the base. I'll probably track on up out of here. Yeah, it's getting close to that time I want to get up out of here anyway, so yeah, let's walk on up here a little bit more, people. People, I do have tracks coming in from this way. As you can see, there's one right there. Tell me, can somebody identify what these tracks are? They going both ways, so they are coming in and out of this area right here. I think this would be the perfect other side for my deer. Put me a camera up right coming off this path, probably get the sample coming over here. All right, people. Yo, people. The camera battery went dead on me, so I had to use my phone. Finish this little way out. What we going on there? Switch this camera around. Yo, people, we're back. Yeah, we still at the spot we were just at. I had to flip my camera around. For some reason, it won't flip around with me playing it. But yeah, we found a lot of tracks right here coming in and out of this area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna track back to base, then I'll come back tomorrow and set the camera up over here tomorrow. Or, you know what, I could go back now to base now. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to base, man, get this camera, and I'll holler at y'all when I get to base. Sorry about my hand being in the middle of it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get that camera and track back to base. And then I'm gonna come back over here and put that camera up over here. See y'all in a minute. Tripping outdoors, baby. Peace. Yo, I'm filming this outro from my phone. Camera went dead in the field. Forgot to bring another battery, which that's fine. We was at the end of the trip anyway. Day 5 in the books. A lot of activity out here this Sunday. A lot of buggies, a lot of dogs. So they was probably just running them off from where I was, but I did see some tracks. So I'm moving my cameras around to a more track heavy area. So yeah, man, another good day.